Oh, poor CatNap. I'm so sorry about your loss of self. Okay, now I'm starting to get confused. Hey, wait a second. Do you hear something? The grave! I think there's somebody down there. But, you know, a little prematurely.
Wow. Uh-huh.
Aw, it's a kitten. Let's take you to your new home. And just in time, the early cat catches the rat.
Oh no.
Hey, wait for us. Oh, careful. Pesky cardboard boxes. Wait, cardboard boxes. There's an idea. Pump yourself up. We're punching out holes. Time for a round of paws. Hey, what's that? Oh no! You got your tail in some paint! At least the color matches your fur. Hey, I think it's got a mind of its own. And I think it wants to be a paintbrush. Wow, Kitty is sure gonna love this. Where is she anyway? Oh no! The plant! We can't let all this nice soil go to waste. Let's cover the floor of our cardboard fort.
Phew.
It's the perfect place to plant some seeds. Don't forget the water. And soon, your garden will grow. All the fun of going outside, minus the outside. Now let's relax with a drink. You okay? Wow, a robot fish. Sure beats a hairball. Here's an idea. Why don't you finish your juice? Add some plants to decorate that glass. Now add some pretty pebbles too. Guess you don't buy juice, you rent it. It's time for Fishy's big homecoming. This should shed some light on things. Ooh, looks like Kitty likes the show. She also likes cacti. I'd look into that. Come on, Kitty, go find some mice. Uh-oh, you broke your toothbrush. Hey, those bristles give me an idea. Make a hole and fill it with brushes. Now let's add a cute kitty border. Just in time, too. Kitty's got cat scratch fever. You hungry? Why don't we order takeout? You know, nothing kills wait time like a nap. Pizza's here, and they say coffee wakes you up. Let's have a pizza picnic. Get your shoes on. Uh-oh, someone left you a surprise. Kitty? Oh, we just can't stay mad at you. Once again, cardboard saves the day. Empty the boxes and stack them up. Place a portable potty on top. Add some litter and toilet paper. The best of both worlds. Kitty's got a new bathroom. Don't forget to clean those paws. Hey, where's Kitty hiding now? Does this mean Kitty's a present? Just look at all the stuff inside here. And more importantly, the box itself. Just need some shelves and some hangers. And now Kitty has her very own closet. What's that smell?
Ew.
Ugh. Let's clean up those armpits. That fur is just what our box needs. Add some buttons to help open it up. Now let's pick Kitty a new outfit. Looks like you two are going to be matching. CatNap always wanted a mini-me. Time to do the dishes. Ooh, a sponge. Looks like CatNap wants to give it a trim. She always adds a personal touch. Uh-oh, is that a sneeze coming on? Wow, everything's coming up purple. All her things are a reflection of her. Make a bunch. Kitty's gonna love them. Always time for an ice cream break. Oh, save all those popsicle sticks, even if they don't have jokes on them. Because you never know when they might come in handy. We can make all sorts of things with them. Like this cute little kitty-sized ladder. Just the thing for kitty-sized bunk beds. It's got all the bells and whistles and pillows. Now all of Kitty's friends can sleep over. Ah, a snake! How'd that get in here? You know, they say snakes are cold-blooded. I know! How about we help warm him up? Take some thread and wrap it all around him. The best part, no need to make sleeves. Now he's Kitty's brand new scratching post. Could use some glitter. She's got you covered.
Yay!
A pair of ears will complete the look. Have we got just the corner for this? Come on, Kitty. Why don't you try it out? Something tells me she likes it. Feeling hungry? Let's have some breakfast. Wait, that's no cereal. It's little Pom-poms. Ooh, let's start a tiny cheerleading team. Even better, we could use them to make tiny clouds. Like your bed, Kitty? You should try it out. Never mind, she still wants to play. Come on, Kitty, catch the birdie. Careful, Kitty knows when to pounce. She's gonna sleep good tonight. Wow, 2 beds, and Kitty still chooses the grass. Either way, sleep tight, Kitty. Careful, Pomni! This cat likes to leave its mark. Let's fill it up with glue. Now it's time to cut it out. Really, we literally need to cut it out. It's just what we need for our memorial. Oh, poor Kitty. You'll be missed. I'm sure he lives on in our hearts. Oh, I told you to check for a pulse. We should take a deeper look inside. Well, hello from the other side. And Kitty's back.
Wow.
Kinda. Either way, it's time to play with our new doll. Here, Kitty will hang up your wraps. And why don't we show your face to the world? Much better. And soon, you'll be feeling store-bought new with a nice wax job. Now let's peel it off. Careful, you missed a hair. Like a brand new doll. Now take some noodles, soften them up. And soon, Dolly will have new hair. Happy birthday, Kitty. Not that you're any older. But we can still have a cake. We even have the perfect topping. An edible paper cat. And the best part, if you light it up, there might just be a special surprise underneath. And you get your cake nice and toasty. Aw, that baby's a real doll. I mean it. Let's take it for a stroll. Just hold on. Uh-oh. Quick, someone catch that baby. Save us, Ghost Kitty. Yes, toilet paper. It's always the answer. First, unravel it. Use a blow dryer to speed things up. We'll need it for a soft landing. And she's safe. Guess Kitty's checking out his old haunts. Uh-oh, your phone! Oh no! Hey, when'd you get out? Next time, make sure your toilet's covered. And we've got a pair of tights to spare. Just make a nice hole in the middle. Now we should test it out. Great success! Of course, there are some things we want to go down. Let's try this again. Hey, who put that cactus there? Don't worry, Ghost Kitty's got you covered. Now let's ditch this prickly plant and recycle old plastic into a row of teeth. Now you've got a soft seat. And with this, you'll always get a good look at things. So why don't we try things out? Oh no, Pommy! Watch out for that bite! Well, at least she's not a ghost too. How about we clean her up?
Wow!
Just add soap, water, and spin. She's looking a little flat. Let's add popcorn. Good. Now Pomni's looking a little stuffed. And now she's cute and crunchy. Ooh, hope she doesn't notice that spider. Kitty says we should take a closer look. Wow, are you starting a spider farm?
Oops.
Well, how about we clear them off? But if you like webs, we can make our own. And you know, maybe we can bring back a few spiders. Ah, nothing beats a good book. Uh-oh, your pants! Here, Kitty's got something for you. Use it to make a kitty thumbprint. Fill it up with glue and add a clip.
Wow!
And you've got a squishy new friend. One who will hold your pants for you too. And you've always got a dance buddy. Chips. And there's a surprise too. That chip looks a little different. That's because it's made of coconut. Let's not waste it. Collect it in a cup. You know, coconut goes great with chocolate. Come on, you can't have too much chocolate. Make sure to roll it around the cup. Soon, it's a new treat that holds even more treats. And who would say no to a little whipped cream? And sprinkles. What you waiting for? Have a bite. There's something in your crayon bag, and it sure isn't crayons. Well, anymore. Naughty kitty. But we can fix them. Just add the broken pieces to this alphabet mold. Next, add heat to melt them into place. Pretty soon, they'll harden up into letter-shaped crayons. And they come in the best color there is, rainbow. And you can draw even more letters. Uh-oh, you spilled your dominoes. It's okay. The domino train is here to help.
Wow!
Just add some dominoes inside the tube. Add to the train and take it for a spin. Look, it'll line them up for you. Of course, what goes up must come down. And we wouldn't want it any other way.
Meh.
Wow, this litter box is just filled with all sorts of familiar faces. You just never know who you'll find in the sand. Ooh, this one's the catch of the day. But I think he's in need of some medical attention. Happy birthday! Let's change your diaper and wrap you up nice and tight. All ready for a play date with Kitty. Uh-oh, get ready for the cat fight. Hey, watch out, or you might just end up flat cats. Wow, this little kitty's going to heaven. As for you, well, let's just check our records, just to be safe. Well, I guess you're going down where the goblins go. Buckle up, cats. You're gonna be here a while. What's in here? Look at all the bubbles. I guess bubbles are fun anywhere. But down here, there's still gotta be a catch. I guess either way, it's just good, clean fun. Still, I wouldn't try to catch those in your mouth. Don't try this at home. Results not guaranteed. Ooh, looks like the angels need a refill. Kitty knows what to do. Grab a cup and a straw. Now let's draw something on top, like an astronaut. You get the first try. Blow us a big one. What's that? Ugh, that dog needs a diaper. But first, let's make you something to eat. Nothing beats some fried chicken. Of course, what goes in must come out. Why must bad things happen to good cheese puffs? Meanwhile, this kitty's in a baking mood. Knead the dough. Come on, put those paws to work. Just make a shape, anything you imagine. Now add a few details in chocolate sauce. Don't forget to add some filling inside. Now you can give it a good squeeze. Ooh, there's a bun for each color. Looks like someone's getting a eek mail. Ooh, a skull! And look, fresh maggots! Not only is it fun to squish, it's fun to pop too. Unfortunately, it's a one-time only deal. Aw, you could use some help. Let's make a new squishy. Don't forget to seal it up. Try it out. Now that's a toy that looks back. It's perfect. Kitty's on delivery duty. Aw, she's gonna sleep good tonight. Is that your new science project? Just kidding. It's a sand doll. Shake it up. Of course, it's also healthy to stretch. Ooh, I think someone's due for a growth spurt. Aw, you've earned a little rest. Ooh, looks like Kitty wants to play too. Uh-oh, guess the claws are out tonight. Guess Kitty's calling on you, angels. And it looks like they're ready to help. I know. Fill a glove with a special solution. Now give it a face. Look, it's our old pal Jax. Don't forget, every rabbit needs some ears. Jax is here, and he's ready to play. Give him a good squeeze or poke, and he'll bounce right back. This candy sure tastes great. But it can also be pretty fun, too. Like giving our chicken a makeover. Of course, there's enough feathers to go around. Look, the angel has a gift for you, too. Well, the joke's on her. Yolk's great for hair. It's never nice to end up with egg on your face. But your kitty's got just the trick for eggshells. We can use them to make some mosaic art. Pretty soon, we'll have our very own chicken. There's even some leftover for chicks. We could sure use a hand for our next trick. Now for some worms, bugs, and syrup. Freeze it up, and it's an icy treat. Just the thing to perk up our punch, too. Round and round. Ooh, save me an eyeball. Want a sip, Kitty? Well, to each his own. Maybe our heavenly friends want to try. Here's looking at you, kid. Uh-oh. Well, no use crying over spilled fruit. We can add them to our jelly juice. Now we can make jelly duckies. Don't forget the cream sauce. Of course, the best part is getting to eat it. Look, Kitty, a donut. Well, it sure must be popular. Seriously, she loves it to bits. Wow, there's another little donut inside. For a donut, she's one tough cookie. Let's test out how tough she really is. Oh no! But don't get upset, Kitty. Angels have a few tricks of their own. Like cotton candy with a treat inside. Now let's give them a bunch of cool faces. But now, I think they're ready for a dip. Now you'll get to see who's really who. Ooh, Kitty's got the whole set. She really gets into playing with her dolls. So maybe she'll like this color-changing mermaid. Go from hot to cold, and she's got a whole new look. Our friends upstairs want to try. Sorry, Kitty, but maybe there's something that can help. Wow, some colorful new markers. You can draw anything you want. Add a clear file, and it's all ready for a swim.